Now first you call the pianist and you call the drummer man. Boy, pick up that old guitar and swing, 'cause swing's so grand. Then you add a little dash of trumpet, pull out all your muse. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but there isn't any need for blues. Now all we need is one more man to give a demonstration of the thing called jam. What's wrong with the fiddle? I did a little, the car jumped over the moon. Hey, hey, put your horns where they belong. Come on, folks, join in this song. Pat your hands and shout with glee, 'cause this is the Onyx Spree.